What's up, my vegan fam? It's your favorite vegan cousin, Unknowingly Vegan, and I'm back with another video. So, today, we are going to do a little something different. Now, one thing I do miss about eating regular food is the sauces. I'm talking about you go to the hibachi grill or the Japanese grill, whatever grill you go to, and you get that yum yum sauce. And now you can't have the yum yum sauce because it got eggs and milk in it, so you can't consume it. Or when you go and get your chicken wings, you can get you some ranch. Now, as a vegan, ranch is like one of the main condiments that we use. But they're not making vegan ranches available for everybody in every area. And I know, Hidden Valley, yes, made plant-based ranch. And you guys are so excited. Can't wait to get to the store to get this ranch. But guess what? It's trash. Don't get it. What they did, they played us vegans. They gave the regular folks that good ranch, and they gave us that trash ranch. That's not what we do in the streets, sis, okay? I know I'm going to show you how to make that great ranch and some more sauces. Hey y'all, welcome to Unknowingly Vegan today. It's your favorite vegan cousin, Mercedes. And while you're here, just go ahead and drop a comment down below, like this video, give it that nice thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified on every video. And to keep up with all my latest updates, please follow me on Instagram at Unknowingly Vegan. Y'all know y'all like that yum yum sauce. Let's get started, okay? Alright guys, making yum yum sauce is quite easy. It takes about 8 ingredients, and I'm pretty sure you have all these ingredients at your house. First, you want to start with your base. Your base is going to be either vegan mayo or vegan sour cream, either or. I'm using vegan mayo. That's what I have in my house, okay? So, people always ask, what mayo do you prefer? I really prefer to use Follow Your Heart. It's neutral and it's soy free. Okay. Tomato paste. Rice vinegar. And adjust that as needed. Little maple syrup. Little black salt, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt and pepper for taste.
Say it to my face, you're sorry. This time I think I get it. This love was overrated. No more infatuated.
And there you have it. Yum yum sauce. Quick and easy. Okay guys, the next sauce I'm going to teach you how to make is vegan ranch. And I promise you, you do not want to skip this. This vegan ranch is to die for. Okay? First, what you want to start off with is your buttermilk. Get you some original unsweetened vegan milk. Almond milk, soy milk, oat milk. Just let it be vegan, unflavored, and unsweetened. Apple cider vinegar with the mother. Make sure it's with the mother. To your milk. And you're gonna let that sit for about 3 to 4 minutes, and that's gonna give it. It's gonna allow it to curl like buttermilk. Okay. Base mayo. What's that? onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, black pepper, dill. Now you use fresh dill, jarred dill. I got freeze dry dill. That's all I have in my house. It all works the same. Plus this lasts longer. Get you some dill up in there. Okay. Next, your buttermilk should be finished. Go ahead and add that in. Now, you don't want to pour it all in at once. You want to add it gradually. Okay? So, if you add too much buttermilk, it'll make your ranch runny. But if that's okay, if it becomes runny, all you do is add more of your base. Add more mayo to thicken it up. And mine actually is a little bit too runny, so I'm gonna add more mayo. Don't worry about the seasonings, because follow your heart is so neutral, it won't throw off your seasonings as hard as something with too much flavor in it. So if you use flavor vegan mayo, it's not going to be the same. It has to be regular vegan mayo and as neutral as possible.
Think you owe me an apology. Just say it.
Now, you can use this for salads, dipping fries, dipping nuggets, dipping your chicken, whatever you want to use it for. And there you go, vegan ranch. Alright guys, the next sauce I want to teach you how to make is a 3-minute tahini sauce that you can put on anything. Noodle bowls, sandwiches, salads, anything. Burgers, chicken sandwiches. Anything you want to put it on, you can put this on, okay? And it's 100% vegan, okay? First, get our lemons ready. Your tahini sauce, you're going to put that in the processor, okay? Squeeze a lemon. Fresh lemon is always the best for sauces. If you don't have fresh lemon, you have the lemon in the bottle, it is absolutely okay. Use what you got. A little bit of salt for taste. A little bit of pepper. This one's good already. Some garlic powder. Add a little bit of water at first. You're gonna process it and then add a little bit of more water.
Hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face. What it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you owe me an apology. Just say it to my face. You're sorry. You're so sorry. This time I think I got it. This love was overrated.
And there's your tahini sauce for all those sandwiches and wraps. You fam. Now the last sauce I'm going to teach you how to make is a cilantro avocado sauce, okay? Great for salads and wraps as well. So you want to get you 3 avocados. You want to get you a lime, cilantro, onion powder, sea salt, garlic powder, and parsley, okay? So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut up my avocados and put them in my processor.
You're so sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. Say it to my face.
cilantro. Now, you can use fresh cilantro. This is just what I have, lightly dry cilantro. A whole lime. Onion powder. Sea salt for taste. Garlic powder. Parsley. Now this is going to be a creamy sauce.
Yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, 'cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face.
Now this sauce is great with wraps, sandwiches, and chips as well. You can even take this sauce, add it with your vegan ranch, and have your own cilantro avocado ranch. Who wouldn't do it? Alright, my vegan fam, thank you for joining Only Vegan this Sunday. For this video, we made sauces. I'm glad to share all of my information and knowledge with you guys. Make sure you drop that comment down below, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And make sure you ring that notification bell so you can get notified with every new video that comes out. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Unknowingly Vegan, okay?
And in me all independent, so you had to have me for yourself. That was when I trusted you, when I could add up 2 and 2. When you promised we'd be together, you, me forever. Now there's nothing